There's an urgent need for First Nations stem cell donors. A representative from One Match is in the city today and tomorrow, hoping to convince local Aboriginal communities to give.
It's very simple. It takes about 10 minutes. Fill out a questionnaire. A kit will be sent right to your home. And then you get to do the fun part, just like in Bones and CSI, where you swap your cheeks.
Unlike a TV show, the call for First Nations stem cell donors is real.
On the registry, there's only about 3,000 First Nations. In a pool of 344,000.
One Match says more than half of patients in Canada receive stem cells from an international donor. First Nations don't have the same luck, though, because of certain antigens only found in Indigenous populations.
Well, we're right now, First Nations sitting at less than 1% of the registry. And another added challenge to First Nation is that First Nations are unique to North America. So even though we have access to that 21 million around the world, it's very difficult to find a match from overseas.
One Match has teamed up with Canadian Blood Services to try to remedy the situation by creating an outreach strategy for local First Nations.
A lot of times, One Match and Canadian Blood Services team up on different events. So if we find some people that are perfect for One Match, we kind of funnel them that way.
The registry data between 2005 and 2011 is bleak. Out of 102 Aboriginal recipients, 40 had transplants. 50 more were canceled because it took too long, or the patients were too sick or died.
Ultimately, when someone's in need of stem cell, usually there's nothing else that works for them. So this is like a last resort, and that's why it's so important to make sure we have the donors to support them.
One Match is encouraging First Nations to help out their own communities by signing up to become a donor. There is a special need for ethnically diverse, healthy, and young donors, but every swab counts. Kelly Linehan, CKPG News.